Okay, so let's talk about congruent shapes. Well, congruent shapes are shapes that are exactly identical in size and in shape. Okay, that doesn't mean that they have to be orientated in exactly the same way, because there's some transformations that we can do to shapes that don't affect the congruency of the two shapes. So if we have a shape and we rotate it, or if we reflect it or translate it to a new position, it doesn't actually change the fact that those shapes are congruent. In our example that I've got set up here, I've got two triangles that are congruent. They are congruent because you can see that the sides and the angles are equal to each other. And the way we would write that is we would say the triangle ABC is congruent, that's what this sign right here means, to DEF, triangle DEF. So we can see that those two shapes are congruent. I have another shape just here that is also congruent. We'll reveal that. These ones are not orientated in the same way. You can see that here's this little cut-off piece has been flipped around and it's up the top of that one, but it still is a congruent shape. So what we can do in this one is, and it's important to name them in the right order. If we start down here at A, we go A, B, C, D, E, finish on that little cut piece. We have to reflect that on the other. So L, M, N, O, P, finish with that cut piece last. And so when we actually write this, you'll see that A, B, C, D, E is congruent to L, M, N, O, P. So that's what congruency is all about.